Finished approach, good evening, American 1479, Wigan.
American 1479, beach approach, back 25 left.
25 left.
American 1479, 26 available tonight if you like.
We will take 26.
American 1479, verify that's you.
That is American 1479, sorry, we'll take 26.
1479, expect 26, fly present heading, maintain 5,000.
Present heading 5,000, expect 26.
American 1479, I think you failed the call sign again, fly present heading, maintain 5,000.
American 1479, present heading 5,000, we'll expect 26.
Thank you. American 1479, Skyber's 10 o'clock, 14 miles, advising you get in sight, lower in just a minute.
Alright, it's inside American 1479.
American 1479, turn left, heading 290, intercept the 26 localizer, maintain 4,000.
290 on the heading, maintain 4,000, intercept 26 localizer, American 1479.
American 1479, cleared visual approach, runway 26.
Clear the visual approach, American 1479.
American 1479, cleared visual approach, runway 26.
We've got a communication problem. You're hearing this radio clear, because I am saying what I need to say, but something's not happening.
American 1479, you said cleared the approach. I need the runway assignment, which is runway 26, not 25 left or 25 right. You're cleared visual approach, runway 26, and you're not reading it back correctly.
Clear the visual approach to runway 26, American 1479.
1479, if you need a phone number, you can call in and we can talk about the tapes, but you misread the last 3 transmissions without a call sign and without a runway assignment. 1479, you need a phone number?
I'm not going to waste my time.
1479, contact tower 118.7.
1187, American 1479. Phoenix Tower, American 1479. Visual runway 26.
1479, Phoenix Tower, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 26, American 1479.
You okay? You seem very hostile. Skywest 3158, turn left, taxi Bravo, Charlie 11 to November, remain this frequency.
Bravo, Charlie 11 to November, this frequency, Skywest 3158.
You seem nice and kind. American 1479, turn left at Bravo 6, taxi Charlie 6, Charlie to India, remain this frequency.
Alright, left Bravo, Charlie 6, or excuse me, Charlie 6, Charlie to India with you, American 1479.
1479, thank you. I think I know where you're frustrated. I have a possible pilot deviation. Advise you contact Phoenix approach on 602 306.
Alright, 602 306. American 1479.